A real man can handle a strong woman, but a weak man will say that she has attitude. Why? Let me explain. A man who has a vision for a better life considers a strong, independent woman as an addition to building that vision together, because he sees her values and he will empower that. And thanks to her support, his kingdom will grow twice bigger with her as his queen and his partner. He will make her even the face of his kingdom, his inspiration, and his reason to wake up every day to work harder. A real man understands the role God assigned to him as a leader, a protector, a provider, even if his woman makes more money than him. It's their money. He will manage it well for the family. In my book, The Man